My YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top Telegram airdrop you shouldn't drop with this 2025. So the first one on my list is Pin AI. Anything that has to do with AI right now, you shouldn't joke with it. So make sure you start mining this airdrop now so that you receive a huge amount of it when it's going to be listed. Then the second one on my list again is our Midas. So make sure you are mining Midas as well. And then the third one on my list is Pitch Airdrop. It's also on Telegram. So all this airdrop, I'm going to drop the link on my video description or on the comment section, so you can actually go there and click on the link and start participating on this airdrop. Then the fourth one on my list is Hot. You guys, everybody know about Hot because we have been mining this Hot for the past 2 years now, and it's very difficult to mine. So make sure you are participating on this Hot airdrop. Like I said, this particular airdrop is going to give us a lot of money. So make sure you are mining the Hot airdrop. Then the fifth one on my list is Mesh Chain. Make sure you are participating on Mesh Chain because this particular airdrop is one of the best in the crypto space right now. So make sure you're participating in this Mesh Chain, and make sure you perform the tasks because there's a lot of tasks on Mesh Chain. Make sure you perform those tasks so that you can claim more points. And when these particular airdrops are going to be listed in this, in the exchange market, you can actually sell them and make profit from it. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next I post another video, you get a notification.